I'm the fourth generation living in this property. It's in the Sacred Valley, a place that has been centuries of history. My great-grandparent, José Ignacio Lambarri, acquired the property in the 20s of last century. He was an art lover and, of course, an art collector. We have pieces that belong to Tiwanaku, then Wari, Inca, pieces that are from Viceroyalty. So, in a sense, it's the history of the land and rural areas. We have almost 300 acres of mountain that has been almost fully naturally preserved. We have lots of varieties of animals and plants typical from this area. I would say, if I have to summarize what we have here, we have history, nature, and tradition. Just come and enjoy.